Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Essential Investments. My name is Santiago, for those of you who are new. I wanted to start off this video by saying thank you. Thank you to those who liked and commented on my last video. I just launched my YouTube channel this week and didn't expect so much interaction. We have 190 views, 26 subs, and I know it takes a great while to move up in YouTube, but thanks to you guys, we're moving very rapidly. Thank you. Also, don't forget guys to follow me on IG at og.sm to stay up to date for any giveaways, content, and more. So now, for the video. Today, I am going to be breaking down a trade I took on Thursday that made me over $8,000. Let's dive in. Alright, so let's get straight into the charts. So the trade I took was CADJPY or CJ as people would call it. So I'm going to start from back when, so I'm going to start on the weekly. So as you can see, we have a clear downtrend from wick to wick, right? But let me extend this. Now let's move in closer. So we see here that there's a resistance. Okay, moving closer. Now we're looking in the 4 hour, right? So now what we have to look at is, well, this I already had drawn up. So what we could see is, come on, man. What we could see is this. Okay. There we see a lot of consolidation, a lot of noise there. We're seeing a lot of noise in this area. Also, like right around there. Okay. So, all right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our fib tool, start it from the bottom to the top. Okay. Now, this is where it gets interesting. So, this trade, let me adjust it. Okay. So, as you can see, we have, okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Computer's acting up. Okay. All right, so we have on the 38 here, we have on the 50 here, we have 6180 here, and we have 78.6 here. Okay, so these are all important because these could all be take profits. But something that I really wanted to notice, or wanted you guys to notice about it, is right here in this area. Okay, so here we have an overlap, as you can see. Because in the bigger time frame there was resistance, there was noise, and then we moved into the 4 hour, still noise, and on top of it, on the fib retracement tool, there was on the 38. There's definitely some movement, some consolidation. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. Now let's move into the 2 hour, right? So now we're looking for our entry, right? So I entered up here to give you an idea. That was my entry. But let's see. Let's go to the 30. Okay. So what caused me to enter? So as soon as I saw this pattern, I saw, okay, we see that there's a strong bullish momentum here. But then I see that it didn't really pass over this area of resistance, which I didn't draw up. Let me draw it up really quick. So, right there. Okay. So since it didn't really pass over that area of resistance, I wasn't really too worried. So then once I saw that it rejected it twice, because it created a double top. Okay. So since we saw that it created a double top, I was already looking for sellers, right? So I go into the smaller time frame. I was in the 30 and in the 15. So let's go to the 15. So we see here on the 15 that there is a strong bullish momentum, and then once it rejects off of the double top, once it rejects off of this area, so I saw that it did a strong bearish engulfing. It did a strong BE. Let me actually write that down for you guys. Engulfing. Okay, so once I saw it did a strong bearish engulfing, what I waited for was, because you don't just go off of that, off of pure price action, I waited a little bit more. So then I saw there was the doji, price rejected it, and then it started going down. That's when I entered here. I entered once I saw price rejected the bullish momentum. So I entered and I caught all the way up to, I didn't really get to the first take profit because I actually withdrew beforehand, because it was a lot of money. I withdrew like right around here. So I caught 99 pips on that one, but it did actually hit two of my projections so far. As you can see, it hit TP1, TP2. Here, let me clean up some of this noise because there's a lot on the charts right now. So, right here, and there we go. Okay, now it's more clear. Sorry if my chart's messy. That's just how I understand it, so it works for me. So this trade was a beautiful trade, honestly speaking. I was looking for a short, so from here to, I had my stop loss right around there, and my take profit was way down like TP1. So that risk to reward was the risk to reward was, what was it? Oh, 3.24. So the risk to reward, as you can see, was a 3.24 on TP1. Then for TP2, it was, it is a 4 to risk to reward ratio. So honestly, this trade was really well executed. I actually really like this trade. Once I saw, on top of it, not only that, I was looking at the RSI, which I'm not really too big on indicators, but RSI and EMA and MAs I use. So if we actually go down to here, let's go to 15. So let's go down to 30 actually. All right, so replay 30. All right, so as you can see, right here on the entry. Let's go. All right. Whatever, the replay button, whatever. So the point of the matter is we have a double top, and then I just looked for an entry on a smaller time frame. So then once I saw the bearish engulfing, wow, I never even realized I wrote engulfing wrong. Whatever. Once I saw the sign, the price action sign on the bearish engulfing on the 15, that's when I entered. So I was monitoring the trade all night. It was an overnight trade. I entered, I believe like at 3 or 4 a.m. or so, something like that, maybe a little bit earlier. So then what I wanted to see was how it broke this consolidation, how it would break this. Once it broke it, I wasn't even worried about the trade. I moved the stop loss into break even, and then after that I had a trading stop loss and just caught all those pips. So let me actually show you guys on the 15. Okay, so on the 15, I saw such a fat sell-off after it broke this area of resistance throughout the day. I cashed out, I believe, like at 4 or 5 a.m. If I'm not mistaken. I actually sent the signal out into my personal signals group, and we caught all those pips. So it was really nice, secure trade. And I still think it's gonna go to TP3. I'm still waiting on it though. I'm not looking for any other positions until the market finishes doing what it's doing, because I'm not gonna chase a trade. I'm gonna let the trade come to me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I have on CJ, and I'm gonna be posting the results from my MT4 on YouTube. So So as you can see, I had a lot of trades open on Friday. I had CJ, I had ACAD, I had Euro USD, and I had a couple of buys for CJ. So you're probably wondering, like, Santi, why do you have buys on CJ? So the reason why I put buys was because I expected a retracement at the fib level. I expected a retracement. It didn't go the way as planned, but that's the reason why we have a stop loss and we have risk management, because I only lost $300 there, so it wasn't that bad. But as you can see, I ended the day with a profit of $8,420.13. So overall, a really, really great day. Thank you to everybody who stayed to the end of the video. I appreciate it a lot. And I really wanted to say thank you to all the support that I've been getting. It's honestly overwhelming. I've been getting messages on Instagram and everything. It's really nice to see that people are enjoying my content and everything. So for any other video recommendations, if you guys have any recommendations, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm planning to do a how I lost 10K in a day video, and I'm also planning to do a couple challenges, like maybe $100 to $1,000 trading account. I don't know, we'll see. So just let me know in the comment section below, and I'm super down. And also, don't forget, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It helps me grow, and I would really much appreciate it. And also, make sure to follow me at og.sm. Thank you, and have a great day.